Hi everyone, welcome back. Got me a new battery charger here. Somebody sent me to check it out, and that's what we're doing here. We've got 3 batteries in it. They're charging away. Here's your chart, tell you what's going on with your batteries, and that's always nice. These are for 12 and 20 volt max batteries. Yeah, that's what I've got here. That's what my DeWalt tools are. So I like it. I've been wanting one for a long time, and I was so thrilled when they agreed to send it to me for me to tell you about it. Screw holes here, mount to the wall if you want. It'll be nice and handy. So I'm real excited about it. So go ahead and get you one. I'm sure you're going to like it too. Bye now.